So hello guys, welcome back again for a brand new video on your channel, Other Parfum. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you get notified for the next uploads. And while you're at it, please make sure to hit that thumbs up for the video. It doesn't really cost anything, it just shows your appreciation and your gratitude, and it helps the channel, helps the video as well. So for today's episode, unboxing and first impressions of this fragrance right here. This is from the company Geparlys and it's called Cèdre Bleu from the Collection Privée, private collection. So I already unboxed and reviewed a few fragrances from this company, like this one right here. This is Yes, I Am the King, the Parfum. This one is kinda is inspired by Bleu de Chanel Parfum, kinda, but not really much. And I already reviewed also I think Rich Red Icon, and also I reviewed Gold Elegance that smells a lot like 1 million. So this company Geparlys, they are known to they get inspired of famous designer fragrances, and they try to do their own version of those fragrances. And also it's like they have clones of some niche fragrances that are also very famous and very successful. So for this fragrance right here, let me take off this cellophane for you so I can show you the box and a closer look of the box. So this is the box, really nice. As you can see, it's blue with the gold color. I'm not a big fan. I mean, honestly, personally, I'm not a big fan of the color of the colors of this box. But the design is simple. It's not bad. There is the quality, which I always look for, and I'm not gonna complain. As long as the quality is there, we're Gucci. We're okay. So over here it says Eau de Parfum, 100 ml, right here, and in the back, this is very important for the authentication of your fragrance. You must, and you should, and you have to have this stamp of the company Geparlys right here, as you can see. And you also need and must and should have the batch code right here. This is the batch code right here, and this is the barcode down below in the bottom. If you guys want to see what's in the bottom, just informations, the name of the fragrance, Eau de Parfum, etc, etc. And over here it says Collection Privée, private collection. So in this Collection Privée, when it comes to Geparlys, they have other fragrances, like I can name others, like I believe I'm trying to remember the names. There is a Bois d'Ombre, there is also Bois d'Iris, and there is a few other ones. I will leave the link of the website of that company down below this video if you want to check out their fragrances. But the prices in their website is a little bit high. Maybe if you want these fragrances, you can find them in other places where you can find them for cheaper and half the price. But as I said, make sure that you're buying the authentic stuff. As I said, this is a must stamp, and also the batch code right here. So let's take out our bottle. So this fragrance is already open. Why? Because a friend of mine opened it and he wanted to try it, but I didn't open it. I didn't try it yet, but I'm gonna try it for you guys for the video. As you can see, the quality is there when it comes to the card box. So as I said, I'm not gonna complain. So yes, this is the bottle. It's pretty. As I said, it's simple. The color is not really my cup of tea when it comes to this fragrance, but it's okay. Over here it says Cèdre Bleu Collection Privée, Paris, or Paris. Over here we have the sticker with the batch code. I believe this is the batch code right here, 100 ml Eau de Parfum. So let's spray it. The cap, also we have the Geparlys logo right here inside, also a must in the authentication of your fragrance. Also we have it right here, the Geparlys logo, it's a G. And yeah, this is the atomizer, so let's spray it and see how it is. Okay, a third spray. I'm not a big fan of the sprayer, to be honest. I don't like this sprayer. Check out the spray. It's not really that good. It's that type of sprayers that you know, it clicks and it stays inside for a little bit. So this type of sprayers, I mean, from my experience, I can tell you that this type of sprayers, if you misuse it, if you abuse it, you will ruin the fragrance, and you will not be able to spray the fragrance, and it will be a problem to you. But yes, for this company Geparlys, the other fragrances, they have really good sprayers, like the sprayer for this fragrance right here. Yes, I Am the King. It is a really nice sprayer. And yeah, I forgot to smell my hand, and I can smell the fragrance from really far. And now that I'm closer to my hand, I'm sniffing it out. Yes, one word from the initial spray. One word. This fragrance is fruity. Fruity, fruity, fruity. It is very fruity. Fruity with mandarin accords. Like the type of juicy accords, juicy mandarin, juicy orange, but more I would say like juicy mandarin. And it has this, yeah, it's like an exotic vibe. And it does remind me of something. It does remind me of a fragrance, but I cannot figure it out right now. I'm trying to see, trying to think which fragrance this smells like. It is super fruity, but I don't really sense any cedar. Cèdre in French, I mean, when you translate it, it is cedar in English, and I don't smell any cedar here, to be honest with you guys. And it's musky. It's very musky. I get the musk right now. Synthetic musk. Yes. But it is nice. It's really nice. It is definitely a crowd pleasing type of fragrance. Mass appealing. Yes, it does have this type of sophisticated vibe. It makes it the type of fragrance for a private collection, as the name says. But it is definitely super fruity. This is definitely a unisex fragrance.